Good morning! Good morning, my Kai-Kai!
Good morning, my Kai-Kai.
Your Ate Mia here eating. Ayaw niya bumaba. Gusto niya lang dito kasama ang kapatid.
And, guys, you know, I got a pee-pee inside my breast. See, it's black.
Ay, Ate being silly? Ha? Kakadidi mo lang, hoy. Nga pa siya nga. Scratch mo na naman yung face. Ay, Diyos ko, Lord. Tara na, i-wrap na kita. Na-scratch mo na naman yan. Bagong scratch na naman yan. Red na red. Ha? Red na red yan. Oo, sige. Kakadidi lang nito, guys. Wrap muna natin. Ha, balik natin. Si ate kanina kinakantahan pa ito. Andito lang si Mia sa cot niya. Kumakanta-kanta. Ano? Scratch mo na naman yourself, Dudong. I have to eat mine. So you finish yours?
Mommy, I just want to share with you.
Okay. Thank you.
Should I hold it?
Ay, wait lang.
Okay, I'll just hold it.
You can have that because mommy I already ate so much today.
Yes, and then next.
Uy, ang dami nito pa inumin. Ang dami niya pa didiin, guys. Sakit-sakit na ng aking ano.
Mine's gone.
Alright.
Okay,
now, my love.
Time for you to.
Is that for me?
Yeah, it's for you. I want to share with you. The other one is like that high. Oh. Mommy, here you
Oh,
are.
thank you, my love. Itong bata to, hindi talaga ako titigilin.
I just really want to share with you, Mommy.
Thank you. I still have one bread there.
Thank you. But I just want to share with you.
Thank you.
But,
Good morning, people. Say good morning. Good morning, people. Hello. So, today is our second day sa bahay. Okay. Since, kailan ba kami umuwi? So, kahapon, di ako nag-vlog, guys. So, yeah. Today, mag-vlog tayo. Today is Saturday.
Mommy, I need you to give me water. Give me water. Give me water.
Batang
Open it. I can't.
You're so dramatic. So, yun. May mga bisita kaming pupunta mamaya. Sister-in-law at saka kapatid ni V pupunta. Sina Skylar at saka Stella. And this girl's excited. Are you excited? Uminom siya ng Panadol. Kasi, alam mo yung nilagnat siya kahapon.
Mommy, I can't squeeze it enough and I can't finish it.
You have to finish it, okay?
I can't.
Well, you have to. Otherwise, you're not gonna get better. Dali, finish. Konti na lang.
1, 2, back my shoe. Favorite place. Ready, set, go.
Oh.
1,
Oh.
2,
Ay, your milk. Oh.
and
Dali na. You're so maingay man, oh.
3,
Kai is awake na.
4,
Kai is not gonna sleep. You keep on making sounds. Oh.
5. Yes.
Ito naman yung akin. Si Daddy nag-prepare nito. Daddy has been preparing our lunch, our dinner, everything, guys.
And he's the best cookie in the world, and he's the best handsome.
Yeah. So, dinadala niya dito sa taas.
You want to squeeze some medicine in it so you will get more better? No, just try it.
And ang funny kasi.
Just try it.
Don't want. Thank you. Go to Daddy.
Oh, it would taste yummy, so just try.
And
Mommy,
ang funny kasi yung ginamit pa niya
Mommy.
pag nagre-ready siya ng lunch ko, yung ginagamit niya pang plate, yung pang-camping namin, yung may hiwa-hiwa, like yung slice, may compartment. Natatawa. Insert ko dito yung mga niluto niya sa akin, guys. Super cute. Like, parang nasa VIP ako. VIP treatment ako ngayon. Kasi, mahirap bumaba, tsaka, tawag dito, umakyat sa hagdan. Kasi nga, 2-story house namin. So, tapos may tahi pa tayo dyan. So, ayun, nahihirapan ako. Pero, meron talagang times na sa isang araw, ang dami kong lakad. Oh.
I smell baby Kai's bone, and next, it smells like poo inside there. Ew.
Oh, is there a poo? You have to finish it quickly, dali.
Okay, so you taste that, the outfit for medicine.
Ay, just go like.
Here's this time. You have to change the nappy.
Yeah, how did you know that? My God. She's like, Mommy, you have to change the nappy. I can smell poo. Really? When I open the nappy, it's actually a lot of poo.
Baby's bum bum.
Can you smell it, Mia? I can't smell anything.
I can smell it. Definitely, I can smell it.
You definitely can smell
Yeah.
stinky poop.
Definitely, I can smell the stinky.
Did you just smell it now or before?
I smell it now.
Now? But how did you know he did the poo before? Huh? How did you know? Oh. That's why you're not sleeping yet? Kasi pala may pupo.
Yeah.
Ha? Pero hindi naman siya umiiyak. Ano? Oh, don't scratch yourself again.
No. Don't scratch yourself again.
That's okay.
No. Make your baby tight.
Tahimik lang siya. Hindi siya nagrereklamo.
I found the
Napupo ka na.
pacifier.
Nagpupo ka na pala, Dudong. Ha? I think we need to change your clothes, but you have your clothes downstairs.
I do a poo. Oh my God, I put my toes in baby's head.
Just those, that's alright.
Yeah, because my toes are nice and it's gently. Look, see? I'm doing it gently with my fingers.
Naputis kami. Nadidi mo lang eh. Kung busog na busog ka pa.
Oh, no.
Mm. Ay, sorry.
Oh, this is the right side. He looks so handsome when he gets it.
You look so handsome.
When he gets it to me. Hey.
It's okay na. He's quiet na.
Ah, I know that's why he's poo-poo.
Why?
Oh, he wants the meat. He wants it. He's everything with the mouth.
Oh, he doesn't want. Doesn't want? It's okay na, don't. I'll just go. Agoy, may stitches. Hindi niya talaga papakawalan yung kapatid niya, guys. Gusto niya kami na bumaba sa baba. Kasi gusto niyang bumaba. It's okay, leave the baby. I think he doesn't want it. See? Alright, come on.
No, girl.
So, ayun, I'm still mix feeding. Though, lumabas na yung milk ko talaga. Which is, I'm so happy na lumabas na siya. So, nakaka-like,
I know Daddy pooed.
yeah? Yeah, you know, yeah. Nakaka-like, 40 to 50 meals ako sa dalawang boobs, which is so good. And, yeah, so I'm using the, this milk. Ito yung ginamit sa hospital, so ito na lang yung binili ko. Ayan, para hindi na siya mag-adjust ulit sa milk.
Why are you not going downstairs?
I'm just waiting for baby to sleep. So, ayun, Alula Gold, guys, for newborn. 0 to 6 months siya. And yan yung ginamit ng hospital. So, that's why sabi ko, kung meron naman din yan sa market, I will just, yeah, get the... Ay, don't jump. Baby's in the bed. And then, update sa ating boobs. Ano na siya, guys, nag-hard na naman siya. So, I bought this breast pad. I'm using this.
So, you clean the bed.
Okay. Ayan. Sa Kmart lang to, guys. Binili ko online kahapon and then si Vina yung nag-pick up. Ayan. So, yeah, it's actually good. So, yan yung nilalagay ko pag feeling ko parang sobrang, hard na ng boobs ko. Kasi hindi kaya ni baby
Mommy, how about
drink
you come
ng
downstairs
super.
with me, and next, when baby cries, you have to stay upstairs.
So, you're gonna go down,
So,
what else this one? You need to bring this down.
Look what I can.
Hindi ko na alam kung saan ako, guys. Ang gulo-gulo ni Mia. Gusto niya ako papabain. Gusto niya kami bumaba ni Kai. Ako gusto ko pa bumiga. Like, mag-rest. Okay naman yung tulog ko kagabi, actually. Kasi, parang 1-2 beses lang ako nagising. Like, natulog, last feed ko kay Kai, tapos natulog na ako was around 11-12. Tapos parang nagising siya ng... nagising siya ng mga 2:30 ata. Yes, baby! What's wrong? Why? What did I do? Yeah, mga 2 to 3. Tapos yung next is 4 na ata, yung gising. Ginising niya ako ng 4 para magdede. Yeah, go rest. You wanna rest here with me?
No, I said I want you to come downstairs so we can see. So, and the bouncy chip with Mama we did in my lap.
See, so you can do it by yourself. You cannot sit on me because Mommy got stitches, remember?
No, I'm not gonna sit on you.
Oh, what do you wanna
I
do?
would just get up by myself and you can sit on the couch with baby Kai.
Yeah, but baby Kai is resting here.
Mom, he can lie down in the cot over there.
Yeah, but where is Mommy gonna lay down? I wanna lay down in my bed.
You're gonna lay down in that couch and baby Kai will sit
In that
down
couch, it's
on-
not laying down, it's sitting down.
sitting down.
I wanna lay down in my bed because I'm comfortable here. Ang bait-bait naman yan. Ang bait-bait ng baby na yan. Nakahiga lang siya, hindi pa siya natutulog, guys. Oh, what is that face for? Oh, yun. Ang ingay-ingay kasi natin, Mia.
Yun!
Ala! What did you do? Nag-lipstick na naman siya.
I put lipstick like you. You poo-poo. You nice handsome.
Oh, tulog na siya, guys. Hello. Nga siya nanganga. Ikadede mo lang. Oh, hinahanap ang dede. Hinahanap ang dede. Say hello, people. Ah, hello. Hello, my people. Hello, people. Ano, nga ka dyan. Hello.
Mommy, can you help me put this on me?
Batang to, make-up ng make-up. Da. Say hello, people.
Hi, people. Do my list looks pretty? So now can you put this on me?
Oy, be careful. Oh, I can't. Mommy's holding. Just wait.
Can I just do it by myself?
Wait, I know you cannot do it by
Can I
yourself.
just do it on you?
No.
I would just follow that straight.
No, I don't think so.
Straight. So you have to close your
Your
eyes.
ate is so noisy.
I'm not nosy. I'm not nosy.
What are you doing then? What are you doing?
Close. It's closed.
Wow.
Freeze.
Siya talagang naka-costume.
Freeze.
I'm freezing.
Oh, good job. Yeah, I'm missing you.
Look at you. Look at you, girl.
Freeze.
I'm freezing. I
On
don't move.
freeze. I'm so pretty. I'm gonna freeze the whole day with Star and Stella.
Wow. Siya talagang naka-ready, naka-makeup. Kain tayo. Daddy bring us food upstairs. So, dito na talaga ako kumakain. Guys, si Daddy na lang yung nagdadala ng food or nag-ready ng food. And I've got a drink there as well na dinala niya. And baby Kai is asleep still. Our Mia here, hindi talaga siya bumababa. Dito lang talaga siya kay Mommy. Kain tayo, guys. Nakatulong din ako saglit. Okay. Dito muna ako kain. Ginawa ko trolley. Ginawang table. Oh. Kain tayo. Kami eat with mommy. Ano to kaya? Ano to? Hindi ko alam kung ano to. Wala na din pala akong tubig. Ubus na. Mia, you have to eat with mommy. Sarap. Pag nakaupo ako ng ganito, masakit siya, guys. Okay. Dito kasi, masakit siya. Bukas merong midwife na darating para i-take off yung aking, plaster ba yun? So, bukas may midwife na bibisita na naman. Kahapon, may midwife na nag-visit sa amin to check on us. And okay naman lahat. So, yeah, tomorrow will be the second midwife visit dito sa bahay to take off the, yung plaster sa tahi. To check the tahi as well. So, yeah, sana okay lang yung tahi ko dyan. Yeah, it's really hard, guys. Yun yung ayaw ko pag cesarean kasi yung healing process very hard compared talaga sa normal. Unlike nung kapanganak ko kay Angelo, like, parang wala lang nangyari. Diba? So, super different kapag naka-cesarean ka. Mabuti na lang, like, may family ako dito na tumutulong. Andito si V. So, iba din talaga. Diyos ko, Lord. Paano na lang pag wala akong katulong dito? Ako lahat. Pag gabi nga, nagigising tong batang to, nahihirapan ako kasi kailangan ko, like, bumangon. Ang sakit-sakit ng tahi. Kailangan talaga hinay-hinay. Kahit umiiyak na siya, hinay-hinay pa din. Alam mo yun? Alam mo yung gusto mo nang bumangon agad kasi umiiyak na yung bata, pero like, hindi ka makabangon agad kasi nga, may nararamdaman ka ding sakit. So, ayun. It's hard. Pero minsan, nagigising din si V, siya na yung kumukuha agad. Tinutulungan niya ako. So, yun. Mabuti na lang din talaga si daddy natin. Very, very good. Oh, ang sarap nito, Mia. Mia, you want noodles? This is so good. Ito, kahapon, actually, ang dami din nangyari kahapon, guys. Nag-laundry pa ako, pero hinay-hinay lang. Pero yung pinsan na ni V nag-continue, siya na yung naghang. First load lang yung nalagay ko. Tapos siya na yung nag-continue, siya na yung nag-wash, siya na din yung naghang ng mga clothes. Kasi hindi pa ako makapag-carry ng mabigat. So sabi niya, okay lang, ako na maghang sa labas. Kasi ako yung maglalagay ng mga load. Pero hindi ko na nalagay, siya na lumagay. Nakakaloka. Kahapon, dumating din yung cleaner namin. So, nag-book ako ng cleaner every week na talaga. So, Friday yung schedule namin sa kanya. And so far, so good siya. So, yeah. Siya yung magiging cleaner na namin dito sa bahay. Good. So, kahapon, naka more than 2 hours siya dito sa bahay kasi yung schedule talaga is only 2 hours. Pero naka more than 2 hours siya kasi bago pa lang siya. So, once a week yung cleaning niya, which is Friday, and for 2 hours siya. So, kung for example, lumabas siya o more than 2 hours siya, kailangan mo mag-pay ng extra. But yeah, hindi naman siya super mahal. So, okay lang din sa akin. Kaya naman natin drink, guys. Hindi ko alam saan binili ito ni Daddy or siya gumawa. I don't know. But yeah, it's a Vietnamese drink. Ayan. Masarap siya, in fairness. Kaya lang liit ng straw, man. Hindi ko makukuha yung mga ano-ano dyan. Nakalagay. Matapos niya lang magdede. Balik na siya sa kanyang cot. Tulog ulit. Lasing yan sa dede. Oh. Oh. Ang isa kong anak, busy naman kaka-experiment, guys. Tignan niyo naman ang kalat.
No.
There's more. Oh, it's still wet there.
Where?
There, beside the glass, the cup of glass. There. Still wet.
Oh.
Yung sink namin ay punong-puno ng colors. Kasi nag-mix-mix siya ng mga kulay. Hello people. Hapon na guys. Lagay ko lang ng bathtub ni Kai sa bathtub namin. Papaliguan ko na siya kasi hindi pa siya nakaligo. Ilang araw na. So, finally, lagay na ni Vito. Kasi, di ba, patagal ko na gustong palagyan ng shower ganito. And yeah, so, nalagyan niya na, pinalitan niya na. Kasi before, lang siya, yung top lang, yung ganito. So, pinalitan na namin. And yeah, so, yan yung gagamitin natin. That's the bathtub of Kai. Tapos si Mia, gusto niya daw makisabay. So, feeling ko, magsasabay silang dalawa. Good luck. But, yeah, I think V will do the, kasi hindi ako makabend ng maayos. Guys, masakit yung aking tahi. So, ayan. Siya siguro yung bath ko muna kay hanggang sa hindi ko pa kaya. So, ito yung gagamitin ko. Matagal ko na ito nabili, diba? CeraVe. Ayan siya. Yung wash and shampoo nila. Gusto ko siya itry. So, yan. And my sister will be starting to put her stuff here tonight as well. So, she will be here. And we have to like pick her up there sa bahay ng parents ko. Kasi may papas na feeling well, guys. Siguro sa init. So, nilagnat din siya. Same din kay Mia nung isang araw. Nilagnat. Pero okay na si Mia ngayon. Actually, I need to pump first. Kasi parang, na yung aking dede. Magpapump siguro muna tayo. Ayan. Alright, so kakapump ko lang guys. This is my left boob. And this is my, hindi naman siya maula, no? My right. Mas madami sa right. Ayan. So, ganyan na siya kadami. My gosh, tingnan yung bruise ko. Ang lala. So, yeah, lagay ko lang siya sa paglalagyan ng milk. So, I've got the lalagyan here somewhere. Ang tagal na nito sa akin. Diyos ko, Lord. Kay Mia pa. So, ayan. Dito ko lang siya ilalagay. Ilagay natin sa fridge. So, ayan. Dalawain natin kasi. Na-measure ko yan. But, yeah. Sa freezer yung iba. Yung iba nasa fridge pa eh. Kaya, baba muna tayo. Nag-e-edit ako ng vlog. Dito si Mia. Tulog na tulog siya, guys, dito sa baba.
And can you turn the book on?
Yeah, but he's sleeping. What's Bangkok?
You know the one that Jin went to nominate on the street?
Oh, the little one.
With the red one? You gonna like it, maybe?
I don't know. He's sleeping lang. Kanina pa tutulog.
Parang, makes him sleep?
Yeah, parang na-notice ko, mas maganda pag meron siyang ganito. Yung ganito sa likod na higaan niya, parang more siya, comfortable. Ngayon ko lang nilagay. Tapos yung isa sa cot. Itatry ko din sa cot.
Mommy, when it's stuck, you gotta turn it back on.
Yeah. Yeah. So, try natin yung sa cot. Kasi yung sa cot, ang dami niyang space. So, maganda pag merong ganito. Yeah, we need to go shower, baby. Tulog pa din siya. Mia, be careful. Be careful. They're here. Dito na yung mga pinsan. It's already night. Tulog na naman siya, guys. He's asleep again. There, come here, Scala. Smile! Oh, smile. It's a video, though. Smile! Oh, smile! 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 Okay na.
Okay, wait, it's supposed to be my turn. Get out of the way. Get out of the way, you.
Oh, it's crying na.
Guys, that's why you said my name. Your face.
Rồi,
I'm trying
Give
to.
him a kiss. Give him a kiss. Give him a kiss.
Thôi, ông chồng.
Who's next?
Oh, yeah. Okay. Who's next?
Stella.
Trời ơi, con mẹ mày nhìn
Yes.
cái chịp vậy.
This
Okay.
one.
How do I hold it? Like that?
Put your arm
Yeah,
on
yeah.
one. Yeah, like that. Yeah.
Yeah,
And
perfect.
then let his red head rest on your arm.
Dad, now it's not a right line.
Look at the camera.
This one's a video. Yay.
Again and you.
Yeah, that's the
And
right
then
one.
we
Yeah?
And then back to Skylar and then back to Mia because that is it.
Okay, hold him up, hold him up.
Wait, I need
Nhẹ nhẹ con ơi.
I need
Trời
time
ơi,
my
mẹ
hair
ấm
to
ngược lại.
start.
Ui, đừng đưa qua đưa lại nó. Ui, sao ghê quá ui.
Cái cổ nó cứng lắm á. Cái cổ nó
mạnh
bật,
á.
bật lên.
Nó mạnh lắm, hồi nãy sao ẩm nó mà nó cứ đẩy lên kìa nhờ. Nó đẩy lên kìa, nó đạp kìa, nó mạnh
He
ghê
smell
á.
milk. He smell milk. Like the pillow needs to go over here. Yeah, and your arm.
Your arm on top of
yeah,
it.
like that. Yeah.
Huh?
So you can rest on.
Theo là mẹ đẻ cho
Hold,
con
hold,
nuôi
hold
em nên
properly.
là
Em trai. Yeah.
nha. Lúc đó là
Yeah,
chị học ở
see?
nhà chăm nha.
Like now, yesterday.
Right now, yesterday, what?
Cái gì?
Làm giờ này mà hôm qua đó. Do it now, like when you already did on a straight line.
Cái gì?
Now we're going a straight line now.
Okay, your turn.
No, I should be there. Stella will be in the middle.
So where you want to be now?
I'm being the same as Stella.
Oh.
My God.
He stuck his tongue out.
Just smiling?
He stuck his tongue out.
You stalking? Is that your stinky?
He stuck his tongue out. Okay.
Okay, next is Stella.
Okay, next is Stella.
Hold.
Okay.
Okay, hold.
Hold him up, hold him up. Yeah.
Oh.
You know, did you realize that we're wearing the shirts that you gave us?
Oh, yeah. Oh, really?
Okay, let's go to Stella.
At the head. Alright.
He's yawning, he's yawning.
Careful.
Thì mấy cái con chị. Mà đang ngủ.
He's yawning.
Yeah. Oh, no. Oh.
Yes, your turn soon. Yes, your turn soon.
Okay, Mia don't have space, so you have to move it.
Yeah, you gotta move
Stella.
over.
Thôi mốt mà nó lớn. Nó biết nói chuyện tao chập thay tồ cho nó thay là lúc này mày
Look.
đang ngủ nè ba.
She draw baby Kai. Cho nên nó vẽ hơn Kai.
Okay, okay. Daddy.
Mẹ
Okay.
đưa cho con, mẹ đưa cho con.
Mia turn. Oh, you let it go.
Okay, move.
Okay.
Okay, move,
over a
Stella.
bit, and
Okay,
then
Mia,
it's
move.
Mia turn. Oh,
Okay,
wow.
move, Mia.
Ra để cho em nó đừng có vô chú.
Look at how good Mia is.
Kai.
Look.
Look. Mia drew for you.
Mày già nó tao ngủ cô không yên với tụi bay. Khai hả con?
The head, Daddy, the head.
Wait, wait.
Thằng
Lift
đàn
it
nó
up.
có vô cái đầu của em nó muốn nó
Yeah,
sững đó con. Sững là gì vậy?
Thôi kêu hai nói gì em ơi.
Cái tóc nó sững không?
Mày là baby.
Cái tóc nó sững lên giống như ba mày mà ngủ mới thức vậy đó.
Daddy.
Đứa gì nè?
Nó ra.
Okay
Rồi
na?
ẩm không về?
Okay.
Ẩm miếng đi.
Done? Daddy turn.
Xô,
Ơi.
bữa nào thả chuồng hay xô là
Such good.
Bata ko siya lang mag-daddy. Ito yung isa para sa bed. Ayan. Mas comfortable to. Merong ganito.
Okay, tomorrow Daddy will help you.
Ayan.
How about we save this?
Very
Yeah, Daddy have a
nice.
good
Yung
idea.
sa baba gray,
How
ito
about
brown.
we save this and then tomorrow Daddy will help you.
Kakadede niya lang, guys. Tapos kinuha siya ni daddy. Ngayon, binalik na siya. Sana makatulog agad. Ayan. Medyo
Daddy's phone.
tulog na medyo gising. Naglagay ako ng breast pad. So, pinainit ko lang tong breast pad kay daddy.
No, I want you to just sing
Umuwi na yung mga bisita. So, ayan. Patulog na kami maya-maya, guys. I tried to edit a vlog pero hindi ko natapos.
And we listen to this song together. We're gonna listen to this song.
This one?
Yeah,
Itong batang to, nagdidi ulit, guys. Nagdidi ulit. Kasi, nung nilagay ko siya doon sa bed niya, ano man siya, naghahanap pa din ng didi. Binukubuka pa din yung bibig. Sabi ko, akala ko busog na. Pero ayun, pinadidi ko ulit. Ayan. Busog na.
Just 10.
Lifong na lifong. Tulog ulit.
Plus 9, 1.
Alam nyo, nag-ano na siya, nag-mix feed na siya.
9 plus 1.
Tawag dito, atong dalawang ingay-ingay.
9 plus 1. So 9 already here. And 1 on your finger.
Ay, ingay, nag-ano pa, addition.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Ano itong batang to? Tulog na tulog. Nag-ano na siya kanina eh. Formula. Naubos niya yung 60 mils na formula, tapos nagdede. Kasi gutom pa. Tapos, nung nilagay ko, nagutom pa din. Ang dami niyang pakainin, hoy. Ang dami mong pakainin. Tinanong ko yung midwife ko ano yung maximum nila na makakain. 60 meals lang naman daw. Eh, yung formula niya, 60 meals na yun. Pero, ang dami mong pakainin, Dudong.
What happened?
Ang dami mong pakainin. Ikaw na talaga. Tingnan mo naman yan. Chubby. Ik. Buyag-buyag. Buyag-buyag. Hindi ko alam kung ano tong red na to, guys. Nag-pop up lang siya dyan. Nung, ano siya, bagong panganak ko layang red na yan. Baya, ito na scratch niya. Medyo malalim. Ano? Diba, tulog kahit ang ingay-ingay. Good night na, my love. Mia. Good night.
Good night.